Hey guys, John Eric here. I want to introduce you to a video about our first giveaway. I told you guys I would start giving away free bricks when we hit 1,000 subscribers. We're not quite there yet, but a YouTuber really hooked me up. His name is the Silver Scorpion. Go check out his channel. He does a lot of shout outs. He makes videos of other people's channels, show you what they're about. He did that for me. My subscribership went way up. It really helped me out a lot. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I'll be showing you some items that we're giving away. But I just wanted to let you guys know that you need to subscribe, like, leave a comment. When we hit 1,000 subs, we will start giving away free bricks. I'll show you a couple of them here in a second. I actually have another video I'm gonna put in the middle of this one. It's gonna be very cool. So every month we'll start doing a free brick giveaway like one of these. This is the one we're giving away. You'll see it later in the video. We also do custom knives as well. I'll just show you a couple knives that we've done. This one's beautiful. Razor sharp mirror finish on that blade. Here's another one just like that. This one is for the Raiders. That one's very cool as well. Here's a really custom one. This is similar to the one that I carry personally. I'll just show you the big difference in these two. So this is the one I carry. This we built stainless steel. It's all stainless steel. It's beautiful. So you'll see a lot of that stuff in other videos if you check out the channel. And when we hit 1,000 subscribers, we're also going to start doing a Zippo lighter giveaway. Probably we'll start out for sure once a month, but I'd like to move to daily and give away a custom Zippo lighter daily. So I'm gonna take you guys for a ride real quick and show you what our Zippo lighters are all about. They're very cool. We've got tens of thousands of custom Zippo lighters. So here's just a couple of the lighters that we make. This rack holds about 300, I think. This one's got, I don't know, a lot. These are all our Zodiac lighters. We have every different color that Zippo makes. So check that out. And I could take you out here and show you hundreds more. I will take you and show you one more thing. So we also do coasters. So we're going to be giving away free sets of coasters as well. Anything you can think of, we make it. Back. So now that you've seen a couple of things we do, I cannot wait to be giving this stuff away to you. If you can't wait for a giveaway, DM me on Instagram, Gorilla Pro Customs, or you can just leave a comment on this video and I'll be happy to get back to you and make you some cool stuff. We've been doing this for, well, the YouTube thing, not very long, just a few months. I don't like that part. Okay, I'm back. So also, when we hit 1 million subscribers, we're gonna do something really cool. We're gonna take 50,000 cash. Now this is fake money, but we're gonna use real money. And we're gonna give it to somebody on YouTube inside a brick. It's gonna be dope. Check out the video. Check out the Silver Scorpion. See ya. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, it's official. I couldn't wait for 1,000 subscribers to give away a brick. We actually invented a new one since we started the promotion of giving away a free brick. You guys are, I'm sure, all familiar with our standard rectangular bricks. For example, this one holds $50,000 cash. Got a logo on bottom, and whatever logo you want on top. So we can get that there. Anyway, so we've been doing those for a long, long time. We started making round ones like this. This one holds 25,000 inside. And I got this inspiration. Gentleman, I'm not gonna say his real name, but his YouTube channel is called Silver Scorpion. He did a little video about my channel, or I think he calls it a shout out. And it got me a lot of subscribers, got me a lot of positive feedback. So I said, you know what? I wanna do something nice for this guy. So we decided to make him the first recipient of a new item called a silver bullet. If you've ever seen a revolver, that kind of looks like a revolver. This is an aluminum cylinder made out of 6061 aluminum. This one's been polished to a mirror finish. I'm not sure how this is going to show up on video, but it looks amazing in person. This is designed to stash a little bit of silver, so I'm going to show you guys how it works real quick. Basically, you take your, this is 5 rolls of silver, 100 coins. I'm gonna turn one over. I'm gonna load a few at a time. I do this with white gloves on because I've already polished this. and I do not want to have to polish it again. I'm going to be shipping this out to him today. So we'll slip some silver coins in here like so. And this pretty easily fits 100 coins. And this is evolved into a completely different product as well. Now we're making ashtray lids for these to make it look like an ashtray, so you could literally set it on your table. This one holds 100 ounces, like I said. We're making one right now for a guy that holds 1,000 ounces. And that one's going to be really, really cool. It's going to be large also. And that one's going to look like a giant cigar ashtray on top. So you won't even know what it is. His complaint to me was he's got so much silver, gold, and cash that he's stashing at his place that he's kind of ran out of places to hide it. So he'd like to hide some in plain sight. So we're doing some that look like candle holders, some look like cigarette ashtrays, and some look like cigar ashtrays. This thing is getting heavy too. I'll do a shot here in a minute with the scale. So it's pretty nice. So now there's 100 coins in here. How it goes together is pretty simple. This is his lid. This is similar to the logo he has on his site now. I'm sure he's going to change it to this. My guy spent some time to make a beautiful logo for him. Not sure how that's showing up on video right now, but it looks really cool in person. This is the underneath side. So basically and this is not specific on how it fits. So we'll just put this over here. And we made him very nice, very custom, beautiful bolts as well. Mirror finish, top, bottom threads, everything. So I'll toss this together real fast and show you guys how it works. And there it is, 100 silvers in this beautiful little cylinder. Very cool. So I want to show you a couple other variations of a similar one here. This one is the American Express one. I'm not going to go through a full walkthrough of this one right now, but this one came out beautiful. So this lid is specific. We did this shape so that it only fits one way on here. This one holds 6 rolls of silver, so 120 coins. It's the same idea. Give me one of the 1/2-inch bolts, Chuck, over here. I'll just show you a little quick what we did with the bolts in this one. This one came out really, really beautiful. So this one takes 1/2-inch bolts, of course. Most of my customers do want the beautiful polished bolts as well. Compared to a stock bolt, it's night and day. So this just goes in like this. We make a custom tool for this as well. I don't have it for this video, but you get the idea. Just screws together. This one's got the American Express logo on it. And like I said, we're doing ashtrays, candle holders, all kinds of variations of these. So that's pretty much how it works. We're going to ship this out. I'm not sure if I'm going to ship this first and then post, or I might post this and let him just salivate for, a couple days till FedEx brings it. Now, to take these back out, the easiest way I found is just keep the lid in place, turn it over on something soft, give it a little shake, make sure all the coins are stacked up straight. Pull this straight off, like that. And if you want to put them back in the tubes, you can just drop your tubes back on like this. And make sure you subscribe, like, leave comments. The official giveaway starts at 1,000 subscribers. We're at about 620, 650 right now. But we will be giving this one away today to a YouTuber that really hooked me up. I appreciate you. We're going to be doing Zippo giveaways daily, starting probably in April or May. Custom knife giveaways, probably monthly because they take a long time. They're pretty expensive. And when we get to 1,000 subscribers, we're going to be doing a brick of some kind every single month. You get one like this, you might get one like this, you might get one like this. We have hundreds of different styles. This one's pretty tight, it holds 50K. So that's the American Express design also. It came out really beautiful. Actually, now I'm looking at this. This design came out spectacular. So this is the box we're going to ship this in. This is a Nanook 905 hard case. These things are really, really nice. So we've got a foam cutter. We're going to cut out some beautiful foam for them. Basically, it's going to sit inside like this. We'll compress it, more foam down, pack it all nice. Include his custom tool and a pair of gloves and some extra polish and stuff. And then we're going to send it out just like this. Boom, nice hard case. So as I said, guys, like, subscribe, please subscribe to the channel. We're going to be giving these away for free to somebody every month. And if we get enough subscribers, we might start doing them weekly or even daily. See ya. So I couldn't help myself. I wanted to show you guys, this is a little surprise for the Silver Scorpion. We made him a really cool Zippo lighter as well. Here's a super fast forward. This was about an hour it took to make this lighter. So check it out. This is for my boy, the Silver Scorpion. There's the back, there's the front. Oh, no, that's backwards. There's the, you get what I'm saying. We made him a very cool Zippo lighter as well to commemorate being the first winner.